Yoi! Today is another kitchen upgrade and I have to solve this kitchen drawer mess. And after that I will have an upgrade of an older upgrade that I had to change because it wasn't very practical and now it's better. So let's go! That's an heavy dude. There we go, the first one is done. Now it's more organized and I also got a bit more space, so it was a win-win. Okay, so the next one is actually one I did in a previous video. If you want to check it out, this one. But yeah, I was having some trouble getting the leads out, so I did a smaller and simpler one to see if it works better. Here it is. That's all for today. Getting my kitchen organized piece by piece, but we're getting there. Hope you liked it and subscribe if you want to see the next one. See ya!